In this video we have to make x the subject of formula. So here we can see that we have square root of x is equal to y, and we have to make x the subject of equation. So first of all we will take square of both sides. Now this square and square root can be cancelled. So we have x is equal to y square. So why we are allowed to cancel this square and square root? Because square root of x, square root of x is equal to square root of any number means x raised to the power 1 upon 2, and this 2 is can be written over here, and we know that we can multiply the powers. So we have x is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2. So we can cancel this 2 and 2, and we have x. So square root of x is equal to x. So we will not do this working all the time, because we know that we can cancel square root and square. So we can simply do this thing directly by cancelling square and square root. So what is the given equation? We have square root of x is equal to y, and when we take the square of both sides we have x is equal to y square. So here we can see that we have x on one side of equation and all the other things on the other side of equation.